Hello guys and girls, you're back and we're back and welcome to our channel. This is Elsa and today we have something really special. We have planes from the hit animated Disney film. It's about racer planes and look at this. Racers. Look, if we turn the box over we can see 6. We've got 6 planes here. Did you like the movie? Of course you did. Everybody likes planes. Did you see cars? Yes, you saw cars. Which did you like better? No, I don't know either. Now, let's open the box. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have. We have all the major characters of the hit Disney film. These are cute planes, okay? Let's see all of them together. Who do we have? Now, this is our first plane. Do you know his name? Okay, I'm gonna give you the first name and you will tell me his last name. His first name is Dusty. And his last name is Chupacabra. Yay! He wants to be the best racer of all of them. He wants to be a big plane. This is Dusty. Look at him. Cute Dusty with number 7. Okay, Dusty. You sit here for a while. The next one is the green one. Green one. Dusty's friend, Ripslinger. Was this really his friend, you wonder, yeah? This is green Ripslinger. He looks a bit dangerous to me. This is all about high-flying action. This is fun. This is all about ready to fly, guys. Ready to beat everybody else. Look at those fins. Is that what these are called? Fins, like in fish? See? We learn something every day. Okay? That was Ripslinger. The next one is the orange and yellow plane. This is the one with the strange name. Do you know the name? Begins with an I. Shani. With a propeller on the rear tail fin. Shani with the beautiful colors. Thank you, Shani. Thank you for looking so good. For flying so high. For being so brave. And the next one is a girl. Yep, you heard me right. Girl. This is Rochelle. And doesn't Rochelle look like a fish? Although Rochelle is a tough little racer. You'd know that if you saw the film, and you did see the film. Look at pretty Rochelle. With number 22. But Rochelle has an admirer. And you will see who it is very quickly. Pretty fish-like Rochelle. Okay, now the next one is Rochelle's boyfriend with a strange Spanish name, El Chupacabra. Look at him. Charming, dashing El Chupacabra. Can you say El Chupacabra? Say it 5 times. No, I can't either. Never mind. He looks really, really dashing, this one. No wonder Rochelle likes him. His name once again, El Chupacabra. And the last one is Bulldog. The oldest, the wisest racer, the one who's been flying the longest. With a Union Jack on him. Do you know what the Union Jack is? British flag. He looks dangerous. Do you know what Bulldog says? He says there are only two qualities in racer planes. The first one is good flying, and the second one is sportsmanship. That means, guys, you have to be fair. Play fair. And guys, this was planes, the main characters. 6 really super cool planes. And I think that's it. Thank you for being with us. Make comments if you wish. Subscribe to our channel. And we will see you very soon. Bye.